Alex, we've got a storm brewing in the cloud.
Smirking. Well, it is called a cloud for a reason.
Sternly. Not the time for jokes, Alex. We have 10 critical issues on top of the previous ones that need your immediate attention.
Setting his coffee down. All right, hit me with the chaos.
Someone misconfigured permissions again, and now the intern can access our production servers.
Face palming. Great. Let's tighten the rules with Azure Active Directory and RBAC.
And audit those permissions. We don't want surprises in the next board meeting.
Speaking of surprises, we still don't have a proper disaster recovery plan.
Sarcastically. Perfect. Who needs peace of mind, right?
Don't forget geo-redundant storage. If we lose data, you're explaining it to the board.
What's that?
Grinning. That's the sound of no one setting up proper alerts.
And real-time dashboards. I want to see everything at a glance.
We found open ports on the network.
Oh no, let's just invite the hackers in for tea.
Less sarcasm, Alex, more action.
We've got sensitive data stored outside our approved regions.
Encrypting data, moving it to compliant regions, and praying for no fines.
Let's hope that's enough.
Our hybrid cloud setup is a mess.
Time to call in Azure Arc and File Sync.
That better work, Alex. Our APIs are slowing everything down.
Smirking. Time to give them some TLC with Azure API management.
Migration is failing for legacy apps.
Muttering, of course it is.
I can't make sense of these billing reports.
Jokingly, don't worry, Michael. I'll add a section for Coffee Fund. Sarah and Michael review the results.
Not bad, Alex. You might actually get a lunch break today.
As long as we stay out of the headlines for a breach, you're safe.
Smiling, just another day in the cloud. And that's how we solve 20 critical Azure cloud issues. Do you think you can handle these challenges? Drop your toughest cloud questions in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Or Alex might just send you his billing reports.